good morning everyone. Good afternoon even. Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back dito po sa kusina ni Tita Ching. Ayan, ngayong araw po, today is May 10th. And today is a little bit special in our kitchen because it's my second born son birthday. So of course, if we say birthday, we have to cook a pancit. It's for long life, isn't it? So we have a pancit Canton, and I will mix it with ano tong pancit na to na? With Sotanghon. Sorry guys. So imimix ko sila, Sotanghon and Pancit Canton. We will mix it together. Bago yan. Kasi bago ko lang po gagawin ito guys, yung Canton and Sotanghon mixed together. So we will try that. Why not? Isn't it? So guys, samahan nyo ako and then we will cook a pancit for my son. So I will show you now the ingredients. Okay guys, so here are our ingredients. I got here onions, garlic for garnish later, the spring onion, and peppercorn. Well, I will grind it. And I'll have as well here on the second row is beans, colorful, and bell pepper, red one, celery. The celery one, I separate them. Yeah, so the leaves and the stalk. And I got carrots here. And at the last row, I got my chicken breast, cabbage. Now, this one is they call it black fungus, or we call it tengang daga sa atin. Yan, tengang daga. So, I'll have my chicken stock here. And yeah, so that's it guys. Okay, so let's get started. Usual, mauna natin na iinitin ang ating lalagyan ko na siya ng olive oil. Ilagay na natin ang ating sibuyas. Once the onions is translucent, we can then put the garlic. The aroma is nice. So we will put now the garlic. Next is the chicken. Since the chicken is already cooked, because I boiled it prior, I'll just mix for the ingredients or spices to be absorbed. Next now is I'll put my soy sauce. Okay. I should then put a fresh grind black pepper. Okay. I just simmer for a couple of minutes. Let the soy sauce absorb. Let the chicken absorb the soy sauce. We'll see now what's going on here. Okay. So next is I'll put now the veg. Or I'll put a water in a minute. One. Oh, I got plenty of this. Okay. I got plenty of veg. Now, ilagay na natin yung ating chicken broth. There we go. At hayaan na lang natin siya na kumulo, guys. Let's now check. Okay, so kumulo na siya ng isang beses. Ilalagay ko na yung iba pang veg. Ayan. There we go. Okay. Let's mix nicely. So I'll just let it simmer for 2 minutes and then I'll be right back. We don't want our veg to be overcooked. We want the vegetable to be still crunchy. Okay. Ayan, kumukulo na siya, guys. So, sorry. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, guys, ay we have to remove para hindi siya ma-overcooked. Tanggalin natin. Because we want our vegetable to still be crunchy. Double purpose siya guys, kasi ulam na rin mamaya ito. Okay. Okay, so next, ilagay natin, we now then put our sotanghon. You know what? Sa kasabihan guys, pagka nagluluto kayo pagka ang pancit ay pang birthday, you are not supposed to break the noodles. So, just let it like na mahaba. Okay, so ito na siya. Hindi natin siya pinutol-putol. Para long life. Okay. So we will put first the sotanghon because it is more longer to cook than the pancit canton. Okay. Okay, takpan lang muna natin. Kasi meron pa siyang isa. So what I'm gonna do now guys is just to mix this and I'll be right back. Ayan. Haluin lang ng haluin guys. Hanggang sa ilalim kasi wok ito, so palubog pailalim. So we need to mix it right down there kasi baka masunog. Ayan. Guys, ito na ang ating pancit canton with sotanghon. Ayan. Masarap guys pag maraming gulay. Ayan. Alright guys, so what I need to do now guys is to transfer it in our serving dish para makakain na. Okay guys, so I'll see you in a bit. Transfer ko muna. So ilipat na natin dito guys yung ating pancit. So tanghon with Pancit Canton with Sotanghon. I mix them guys because yung Sotanghon is very fine para na napaka diba, malipis. So pag nilagyan natin ng Sotanghon mixture, the texture is mix sila, so mas masarap. Ayan. Guys, halina kayo, ang dami nito. Kasya sa ating lahat. Okay. Okay guys, so there we go, our Pancit Canton. Sotanghon with Pancit Canton. I shall then put a garnish. You know what I've done? Nag-crush po ako dinikdik ko po yung ating chicharon. Yan. Yung ating chicharon, you know, nabili ko to sa Asian shop. So what I'll do now is to sprinkle on top dahil special ang ating pancit. Yeah, so sprinkle natin on top of our pancit. Yeah, to add more flavors. Okay. At ang ating spring onion. Ayan. I like spring onions. There. Lagyan na natin ng ating lemon. Guys, pagka kumakain ako ng pancit, gusto ko laging may lemon. I don't know kung ganun din ba kayo. But I like it. With lemon. So there you have it. Our Pancit Sotanghon with Pancit Canton. Yeah, mix. There.